Hi, everyone. So today I just wanted to give a brief overview of how to use Microsoft Lens on your iPhone to scan and send in your paperwork to us. The first thing we need to do is download the Microsoft Lens app from the Apple App Store. To do that, we will first open the App Store. Click on Search located in the bottom right corner. Enter Microsoft Lens for the search criteria and click on Search. Several options will appear, but we are wanting to download the free app published by the Microsoft Corporation. Once you find it, we will go ahead and click on it and select Install. Once the app is downloaded, it will rename itself to be just Lens. In order for us to complete our first scan, we must perform a brief setup of the app and give it the necessary permissions. I will provide the permissions that I recommend, but you can always adjust them to your preferences. First, we want to open the Lens app, which, upon first opening, will give you a brief introduction about the app, which we can swipe through. Prior to selecting Allow Access, I recommend unticking the box to not send Microsoft optional data, and then click Allow Access. Next, we can read through Microsoft's privacy agreement and select Next. Once again, I recommend selecting Decline to not send optional data. We can now click on OK and select Allow when prompted to allow the app access to your camera. You're now ready to scan your first document. To get the highest quality images as possible, we want to ensure the document is on a flat surface. It is free from any wrinkles, creases, or folds, that you are in a well-lit environment, and there are no obstructions such as hands, shadows, or clipboards covering parts of the page, as we want to capture the full and complete document. To start, it is recommended to enable your camera's flash by selecting the lightning bolt in the top right corner. Next, aim your camera at the page. Lens should automatically detect the page and place white borders around the four corners of the page. Once the page is detected, select the circle icon in the bottom center of the screen to capture the first page. 4 white circles should appear on each corner of the page, indicating the recognized page. If these dots do not align with the corners of the page, you can manually drag them to each corner, as we do not want any of the background to be captured. If you would like to add additional pages, simply select the camera with the plus sign icon located in the center bottom of the screen. And just like before, once Lens automatically detects the page, we will select the circle button in the bottom center of the screen to scan the page. Once again, we want to ensure that each white circle aligns with each corner of the page. You can repeat these steps for each additional page you would like to add. Once all the pages have been captured, we will select Review and Edit, and then navigate to Filters. We either want to select the black and white filter or the Documents filter, whichever makes the document the clearest and look like a scanned page. Then we can select Apply to All. We want to swipe through all the pages to ensure each page is clear, legible, and captures the entire page. If everything looks good, we will select Finish. Next, we need to tell Lens where and how to save it. You will be taken to an Export To screen. We want to select PDF for the type and phone storage for the location. You will now be taken to a My Scans page. This page contains your current scan and all previous scans. The most recent scan will always be in the top left. In order to email this document to us, we will first select on the PDF we want to send to open it. Next, select the Share button in the bottom left corner and select the default app you normally use for email. This will create a blank email with the PDF attached. You want to ensure your Pro number is included in the subject line, and you can send this email to your billing representative as normal. Thanks so much for watching. I hope this brief demonstration makes the process of using Lens easier. As always, if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to us. Thank you, and I hope you have a great day.